Namaskar children. In our last video, we learned numbers from 1 to 5. Today, let's start our day with some fun activity. Look at this picture. Find one basket. Children, can you see the basket? Let's count. 1. Yes, there is only one basket in the picture. Find two wheels. These are the wheels. 1, 2. Find three bears. 1, 2, 3. Find four balloons. These are the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find five pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's learn the next set of numbers. What is the next number after 5? Yes, 6. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's count the number of houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 stars and 6 houses. Now, let's learn the number name of 6. SIX 6. Number name is the number in words. Children, when you look at number 6, it looks like an ice cream scoop, isn't it? Yes. What is the next number after 6? 7. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 candles and 7 hats. Let's learn the number name. SEVEN 7. When you look at number 7, it looks like a candy cane, isn't it? Yes. After number 7 comes number 8. Let's count the rocking dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who are they? They are the cute penguins. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 rocking dolls and 8 penguins. Let's see the number name. EIGHT 8. When you look at number 8, it looks like a white snowman, isn't it children? Yes. After number 8 comes number 9. Let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at these colorful school bags. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 cups and 9 school bags. Let's see the number name. NINE 9. When you look at number 9, it looks like a big balloon, isn't it? Yes. So, we learned numbers and number names from 6 to 9. Now, let's see the exercise from the maths textbook. So, open your maths textbook page number 1313. Understand and write 6. 5 and 1 make 6. These are 6 ladybugs. These are 6 blocks. Draw 6 beads in the blank space. Cockroach has legs 6. Count them if you wish. Place the string in such a way that 6 objects will be in its loop. Children, you have to draw the string in such a way that 6 objects will be in its loop. The first one is done for you. Count 6 boats and draw the string. Now, children, see the boxes given below. Write number 6 in each box. Please turn over to page 1414. Understand and write 7. 6 and 1 makes 7. These are 7 rocking dolls. These are 7 ducklings. Draw 7 beads in the blank space. 7, 7, 7. A rainbow has colors 7. A week has days 7. Place the string in such a way that 7 objects will be in its loop. Count 7 lanterns and draw the string. Count 7 lamps and draw the string. Write number 7 in these given boxes. Please turn over to page 1515. Understand and write 8. 7 and 1 makes 8. These are 8 locks. These are 8 badminton rackets. Draw 8 beads in the given blank space. 8, 8, 8. An umbrella has sticks 8. Come on children, sit up straight. Place the string in such a way that 8 objects will be in its loop. Count 8 caps from this box and draw the string. Count 8 peanuts from this box and draw the string. Write number 8 in the given boxes. Please turn over to page 1616. Understand and write 9. 8 and 1 makes 9. These are 9 snails. These are 9 caps. Draw 9 beads in the given blank space. 9, 9, 9. The clock struck 9. All the children stand in a line. Place the string in such a way that 9 objects will be in its loop. Count 9 pencils and draw the string. Count 9 erasers and draw the string. Now, children, see the given boxes. Write number 9 in each box. Now, let's see how to write number 9. This is the way you will write number 9. Please see the pattern carefully. Follow the same pattern when you write number 9 on page 16. Please turn over to page number 1717. Children, we have learnt 1 to 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are symbols used for numbers. They are also called as digits. You will practice writing numbers 1 to 9 on this page. Follow the same pattern shown here while writing the numbers in the textbook and notebook. Look at the strip. Write the missing numbers in the blank spaces. Please turn over to page number 1818. Count and circle the correct number. Count the pictures and circle that number given below. One has been done for you. There are 4 parrots. So they have circled number 4. Please solve the remaining examples in the same way. Please turn over to page number 1919. Count and write. How many wings does a bird have? Let's count. 1, 2. A bird has 2 wings. So write number 2 in the circle. How many colors does a rainbow have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A rainbow has 7 colors. So write number 7 in the circle. How many wheels does a rickshaw have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. So write number 3 in the circle. Solve the remaining questions in the same way. Now go to the next part. Count and write. Here you have to count the dots and write the number. Also read the number names. Please turn over to page number 2020. Observe the picture carefully. You can see different objects in the picture like doll, bag, pencil, car, ball, bat. Count these objects and write the number in the given boxes. Children, today we have learnt numbers and number names from 6 to 9. Now let's revise the numbers from 1 to 9. 1. Teddy. 2. Cameras. 3. Animals. 4. Flowers. 5. Toys. 6. Birds. 7. Children. 8. Chocolates. 9. Stars. I hope you have understood. Take care. Have a nice day.